Model, 62-plate Ford Transit 125 T350 front-wheel drive, spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 135539. MOT, 23 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Gearbox and clutch look good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.